Hello everyone, you're watching Edu Bureau. I am Bhavna Kapoor and today's topic is law enforcement challenges post COVID-19. The impact of COVID-19 pandemic is universal. In such a situation, maintaining public order is important in order to provide proper care and treatment to the affected people. Therefore, it can be claimed that law enforcement is next to healthcare in its criticality. The police has taken enormous risks during the lockdown to ensure strict observance of guidelines including physical distancing, which is an uphill task in India. Police persons should be commended for that instead of being chastised as a force for the overzealousness and indiscretion of a few of them. Now, the question that prevails is how will COVID 19 affect future law enforcement and how will new patterns of crime be managed, especially given that the virus is here to stay for long? Apart from policymakers, the police leadership will have to introspect on its recent experience and draft a comprehensive standard operating procedure that will educate all police persons in the country. This will take care of any future virus waves as well. There needs to be improved police public relationship as displayed during the lockdown. Police persons were cooperative with the public. They also use social media to disseminate all relevant information to public in both rural and urban areas. There also has been an overall drop in crime rate due to antisocial elements' confinement to their homes. There has been a measurable drop in road accidents and fatalities, rape, murder, and burglary. What are the challenges to law enforcement? First, there has been an uptick in domestic violence that has given rise to shadow pandemic. There are two main reasons. First, most men are at home without work or fear losing jobs. Data shows that domestic violence increases with greater unemployment. And secondly, non availability of liquor during lockdown. There was a similar scenario in West Africa during the Ebola outbreak, and this shows that epidemics leave women and girls more vulnerable to violence. A few members of the Global Initiative Against Transnational Organized Crime, that is a Geneva based law enforcement governance and development practitioners network, believe that the pandemic is both a threat to and opportunity for organized crimes, especially illicit drug trade. It believes that the gangs infiltrate the health services and make profits through sale of prescription drugs that otherwise are not available to the public. Another new trend is rise of cybercrime. New portals have been launched to donate money for combating COVID-19, and many fraudulent sites are designed so well that many people have been easily duped. Besides this, there is large scale manufacturing of ineffective masks and hand sanitizers. A major challenge for public officials is to keep prisons free of virus. A number of human rights activists say that there should be premature or temporary release of prisoners, while some demand complete evacuation of prisons. But such a drastic move would expose society to unrepented violent offenders. The pandemic and the lockdown have ensured that many crimes have gone down while many crimes have shooted up or will assume new forms in the near future. As we enter the unlock mode, it is incumbent on law enforcement officials to devise way of dealing with the new challenges, maintaining law and order. With this, I end my today's video. Thank you and take care.